We often overestimate the importance of dramatic changes and underestimate the power of small, consistent improvements. The truth is, lasting change rarely happens overnight. It's the accumulation of tiny gains, day after day, that leads to remarkable results. Just like a ship adjusting its course by 1 degree, seemingly insignificant daily improvements can have a profound impact on the trajectory of our lives. It's easy to dismiss small changes as insignificant. We tell ourselves that we need to make drastic changes to see real progress. However, the 1% rule suggests otherwise. The 1% rule is deceptively simple. Strive to improve by just 1% each day. This doesn't mean striving for perfection or making drastic changes. Instead, it's about focusing on making small, manageable improvements in any area you want to improve. For example, if you want to read more, start by reading 1 more page each day. If you want to exercise more, begin with an extra 5 minutes of walking. These seemingly small changes might seem insignificant at first. However, over time, they compound into significant results. The power of the 1% rule lies in its sustainability. It's much easier to stick to small, incremental changes than to overhaul your entire life overnight. By focusing on small wins, you build momentum and create positive feedback loops that encourage you to keep going. Imagine a cyclist who improves their performance by 1% each day. This might mean cycling a little further, improving their technique slightly, or eating a slightly healthier diet. Now, imagine another cyclist who doesn't make any changes. Over time, the gap between these two cyclists will widen exponentially. This principle applies to any area of life. If you want to improve your writing, write a little more each day. If you want to learn a new language, study for an extra 10 minutes. The key is consistency and a focus on making small, incremental improvements over time. Section 4. Habits, the compound interest of self-improvement. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just like money multiplies through compound interest, the effects of our habits multiply over time. When we consistently make small improvements, we create positive habits that compound and lead to significant results. Building good habits is crucial for harnessing the power of the 1% rule. Start by identifying small habits that can contribute to your goals. Break down these habits into small, manageable steps. Focus on consistency and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Remember that every small step you take moves you closer to your goals. Section 5. Small steps, remarkable journeys. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Similarly, the pursuit of any worthwhile goal begins with a single, small action. The 1% rule reminds us that we don't need to make drastic changes to achieve extraordinary things. Start small. Focus on making 1% improvements each day. Be consistent and embrace the power of compounding. Remember, small steps taken consistently can lead to remarkable journeys.